In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw XABCD pattern on TradingView. If you're exploring harmonic patterns or simply want a clear way to map potential market swings, drawing this pattern directly on your chart is a fast and reliable way to visualize structure. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can follow along without second guessing where to go. First, look at the left-hand toolbar in TradingView. This vertical bar holds all your drawing tools. Find the fourth icon from the top and focus on the small caret icon next to it. Go ahead and click that caret. This action expands a panel of additional tools that aren't visible by default, which keeps your workspace tidy until you need something more specialized. With the expanded tools open, you'll see the option labeled XABCD pattern. Click on that. When you do, your cursor will change to indicate the tool is active and ready. That cursor change is your visual cue that the platform is now listening for your points on the chart and will connect what you select into the pattern automatically. Now it's time to place it. Click on the 4 points on the chart where you want the pattern applied. Choose clear swing points that represent the move you're mapping and place them in the sequence that reflects how price traveled. Each click should be deliberate and placed directly on the candles you consider most meaningful. As you move from the first to the fourth point, TradingView will start drawing the structure for you, connecting the dots and laying out the geometry so you can see the pattern take shape. Take a moment to ensure your clicks line up with visible highs and lows, so the result is easy to interpret later. If you're working on a busy chart, give yourself a second to hover and confirm you're choosing the exact candle you want before committing each point. And that's all there is to it. By expanding the tools from the left bar, selecting the XABCD pattern, and clicking 4 points, you've added a clean, professional pattern overlay to your chart. Practice this a few times on different instruments or time frames to build confidence in choosing consistent points. Thanks for watching, and enjoy applying the XABCD pattern to your analysis.